Welcome to Forge Buddies. On today's episode, we get to build a wood ramp. And it also has 13 garages. So come on, let's get to building.
Let's play, Dad.
Alright, buddy, let's go.
Where do we go? What?
Go.
Oh, there's a Bigfoot.
Good job. Put it right here. Hey. Yeah, you want to press the button?
Yeah.
Okay. Press the blue button.
This one?
Yeah. Here it goes. It's going to cut the next part.
Whoa!
There's just more wood. Look, see, it cuts it. That's how we make them. No matter what, we're going to need one more piece. Okay, here it goes. It's going to cut. Press the blue button. The parts we need for the ramp. Okay, let's get all the pieces. Yeah. Okay, so this is the first thing we gotta glue. We're gonna put a little bit of glue on this. You tap it here, like this, see? I'm gonna grab some. And we're gonna put some on here.
This is glue.
It's wood glue.
It's wood glue where the monster trucks can go.
Yeah, monster truck or Hot Wheels. Look, you good at, see how I'm putting it on here? You wanna try?
Yeah.
Then look, we push this down in here.
There's
Okay.
a monkey on there.
There's a monkey, yeah. That's a gorilla.
A gorilla.
Yeah, that is a monkey. Good observation, bud. See, we don't want all that glue to show up. And wipe it. That's the first part, done. This is the next part. You want to try this time? We're gonna put this in here.
No, these are cool.
Okay, that part's done. Now we wipe the excess off, remember? See? This is gonna be like their little garage homes. This guy can't. But I think more for your Hot Wheels. So look, he fits.
Let's say this one can fit.
Yeah, but look at the Monster Jam trucks. They fit perfect.
Oh.
They're gonna be like little homes for them.
It's like your monster truck garage, but we made it, huh?
Yeah. Oh, that monster trucks can go.
Monster trucks can go. Yeah. Put it on the edge. Help me. There you go. Tap it. Tap, 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 tap. See how you're getting the glue on there? That's the glue to hold it together. Yeah.
Here's the other one. Ready? Alright.
This?
That's where they're gonna park.
Oh. The little garages?
Yeah. Hold on, we're not ready yet though.
That's Lion. He's Lion, Dad.
Is he?
Right here.
Okay. That says jump and that says start.
What's this?
Jump and start.
This part we gotta.
What's that? This
Ugh.
can go right here.
Some of these cuts are really tight. There it goes.
Let's try.
Wipe it all down.
Alright, look, it's starting to come together.
Wow!
You're gonna get scoops.
Yeah.
Oh, look it. There's 3 garages then.
Alien Invasion fits.
Oh, even Scoops cannot.
Look.
The sun over there can fit it.
Cigarette. Whoa.
Look at that. Whoa. There's a flower right there.
Okay. There's a fly?
Yes, yeah. How scoops can go? Put this one in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 parking spots.
Now we're done.
Hold on. Okay.
Bring this front of the other bird. Looks like stone crusher wants to go.
Okay. Oh, it's starting to come together. Look, try one. Okay, it's not done yet. That was just the practice one, okay? We still gotta put the rails on. I'm just gonna put the glue on and
I
then...
can do it again.
Yeah, let me just put the glue on real fast, okay? Put them here. Ready? Tell them to go.
Where did he go?
Whoa.
Wolfhead.
That's cool.
No, both of them. Whoa! Both are in one.
She says start and then jump. Go.
Oh, there was Bigfoot. Oh, Grave Digger wants to go.
Okay, go. Come in here. This one's.
What about animation can go here?
Okay, you wanna park?
Oh, a zombie girl can fit.
Yeah, this might be better for
We trash her again.
Dad can design a better one on the program that's meant for monster trucks. So this guy can go here. No, he can't fit. This guy fit here?
Oh, what's this one, guys?
Yeah. Oh, this one probably fits. Look, the little one. Look, the little one.
Hey, get over here. Where's Dragonwood? Thanks for watching it. Like this guy. See you next time.
Build another one.
Build another one.
Okay, good job. Alright, bud. Let's go play with this.
Hey kids and parents, if you're interested in today's ramp from today's video, head over to forgebuddies.com and go to shop. And here you'll be able to find the ramp that we built. We sell it as a DIY kit so you can build it yourself, or a pre-built kit where you get to have the fun right out of the box. Thanks for supporting the channel and have a good day.
Follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.